guys, refill. Ha! So we're gonna charge the boss twice today. Oh man, this guy's strong. To lift the beam like that, not good for your back, mate. Very easily can get a hernia or a spine disc is issued later on. Never lift weights like that. Anyway, it's not much stuff. Ooh, good boy. I feel like going a bit off-road with the track around here. It's so beautiful. I'm sure the boss will be happy about it. So, last one. Beautiful. Rock and roll, guys. G'day, mate. Man, I love to live just in this small house here. That's it. Take care of the lawn, of the garden all day, of the horses. Oh, that will be me. No stress, no crap from the outside world.
Prepare to turn left after 1 kilometer.
Well, the dream is, ladies and gentlemen, to get a property, a beachfront property in West Australia. So right on the ocean, on the Indian Ocean, and with the big land at the back. So coming soon, hopefully. It will come soon. I'm planning and saving, and everything should happen in a year or so. Fingers crossed. Oh, ducky ducks as well. Hello. G'day. Beautiful. It's like a national park here. Oasis. All animals. It's a sanctuary for animals.
Prepare to turn left after 800 meters.
Feel already re-energized just by being here a few minutes. Ah, it's amazing what nature does. Tell you, can't stand cities. Not really a city guy. Thanks God, majority of people lives in the city. So more space for me and people like me enjoying the nature, countryside, mountains, beach, seaside, whatever. Right, I gotta close the gate. So guys, hope you enjoyed, and We'll switch on later on for the construction site. Meantime, take it easy.